Hello everyone, welcome back. This is session 8 of the series, and in this session we are going to talk about a couple of advanced questions based on selection construct. Those questions which can be done using if else and switch cases. We have derived these questions from the real-time examples, which can help you crack the interviews for any language. It will lay a strong foundation of your logic building. In this session, we are going to talk about all possible questions. We will navigate through the assignment 3 questions available. So without any delay, let's go to the questions list. I am in Google Chrome now, and we are going to open the assignment. So for this, you can go to codewithabby.blogspot.com. Once this gate open, navigate to assignment C programming, and this is assignment number 3. For those who want to get into these details of 1 and 2, they can refer the previous videos. Getting into assignment number 3 here, and we can see there are 6 questions here. Those all questions actually require lots of your code efforts to be written. In this session, I'm going to take the first out of these 5 questions. The first question is you have to write a program in which you input BD, birthday, birth month, birth year, current day, current month, and current year, and then calculate the age of the person. The answer should be displayed in the below way. Your age today is this many days, this many months, and this many years, right? So this requires lots of calculations. So we are actually going to take this example. Before we get into the code, let's understand how do we calculate the current age based on the dates entered. So for example, I have taken one example. The today's date is, as a video is getting recorded, the today's date is 7th July 2024. And somebody's age, suppose, is 10th October 1978. This is the birth date of somebody. So I just wanted to calculate. So let's see how calculation goes. So this is a CD, CM, CY, BD, BM, BY, birth month, birth year, birthday, birth month, birth year, current day, current month, current year. So the first 12 days needs to be calculated. So we see that the current day is smaller than the birthday. So we will take 1 from the month. If you are taking 1 from the month, then there are various possibilities. If you are taking 29, if you take either you are taking 28, either you are taking 31 or 30, because the months may have either of these 4 days. So since this is July, then I am taking 31. So 31 and 7 becomes 38. 38 minus 10, then it becomes 28 here. So 28 days have been calculated. Now since we borrowed 1 from 7, now this became 6. Now we cannot minus or we cannot diminish 10 minus 6. We can't do that. So we need to take 1 borrow from here. So if you are borrowing from here, that means you are not exactly borrowing 1, but you are borrowing 12, because 1 year is 12 months. So 12 comes here, so 12 and this 6 become 18. So 18 minus 10 becomes 8 months. The months gets calculated. And since the year gave lended 1 to the month, then the year became 2023. 2023 minus 1978 becomes 45. So the person's age is now the current date. The person's age is 45 years, 8 months, and 28 days. So this is the way, this is the calculation. This is all that we will get into the action, and we'll try to explore the logic, how to write this logic there. Okay. So let me take you to the C programming editor, wherein we can see this program happening. So we are right here in Google Chrome, and as usual, we know that we are using this GDB editor. I have written the program for you guys, because then since it is a big program, so it will take time. So I will walk you through this program and try to see. So example assignment 3, which is I'm going to calculate the current age, and this is the program. Let's try to understand this program. So what we are doing actually. So first of all, we have declared some variables cd, cm, cy, current day, current month, current year, birthday, birth month, birth, all of integer type. We know that there is no fractional values occurring, so all integer. Days is the variable which calculates, which stores days. Months is again a variable which holds months, and years is a variable which holds years. I'm doing a printf to input any value of current day. Current day, that means today, if this is 7th of July, so this will enter 7. This is current month and this is current year, right? Birthday, birth month, and birth year. If I have now both the dates ready with me. The first thing is that I'm going to calculate if the CD, that is current day, is greater than BD, then it's very easy. In our example, the current day was smaller, so that's why we had to borrow one. But if it is bigger, if it is greater or equal, then day is equal to current day minus birthday. That's all good. But just by chance, if it CD is less than a BD, which this was the case, then what we are doing? We are checking the month. If month is February and leap year, so you already have done programs to calculate leap year, because leap years are the years where the February is of 29 days, right? Then increase the CD by 29 here. Otherwise, check if it is February and not leap year, then increase the CD by 28. So we have done this part for February. Now let's go to check other months. So if month is September, month is April, month is June, or month is November. So these are the months of 30 days. So let's increase CD by 30. But if the current month is January, March, May, July, August, October, and December, either of these, then increase the day by 31. What happened in our case? It checked. If it is 7, then increase the date by 31. So this 7 becomes 38, right? Now, what I'm doing, I'm just trying to say that days equals CD minus BD. Now, I'll remove this line. This is of no use. So I'll remove this. CD equal to, say, day is equal to CD minus BD. Now, since we have increased, and since we borrowed 1 from month, then month equal to month minus 1, right? This is 6. Now 7, this became 6 here. So we borrowed 1 from here, right? Now let's check the calculating the month. This is the code for calculating month. So if CM is greater than or equal to BM, then simply months equal to CM minus BM. Here the CM was less, not greater, because here is 10 and it was 6. So then we have to borrow 1. So in else part, then we are increasing CM by 12 and the same time decreasing year by 1. So year by 1. Now we are calculating months equals CM minus BM. And likewise, the year has been calculated. Current, always the current year will be greater than birth year. So now let's run this program and see the things in action. Okay, so let me run the program. The program is being run here. I first is asking to current day. Let's save 7 of, then 7 is July, and then 2024 2024, and somebody's, what was the age? 10th of October and 1978, right? Let's hit the button. Now your age today is 28 days, 8 months and 45 years. 28 days, 8 months and 45 years, right? I understand that the question that we have discussed today is, this is related to age. You got it right, and I was able to explain the logic to you. Start doing these remaining questions and rest assured that you are going to be to gain a very good knowledge in terms of building a logic, and you would be able to take up the further larger questions and the more complex logics out of it. So just in case if you face any issue, or if you feel if you understand and then you find that if you any questions that you wish to have some inputs from me, write to me over the comment, or you can write over the email as well. With this, let's end this session. See you in some next session. Bye bye.